The herd masses at the riverbank. The lead animals halt, eyes tense, scanning the water, weighing the leap between life and death. But the crowd behind presses forward relentlessly. Pressure mounts on those at the front. And then, unable to delay any longer, one brave individual plunges into the water. That leap shatters the suffocating silence hanging over the herd. One, two, three, then the entire herd surges into the water like an avalanche, unleashing furious chaos in the muddy current. A faint splash, a whirlpool. One animal dragged under, claimed by a crocodile. The water turns red,